Hey guys, today we are doing the demolish. Yes, this is right after the either I forget. This is actually has a banana, as it says on the back here. It says motorized dog blasting and pump fire missiles, detachable stock, acceleration trigger, 10-dot banana clip, missile launch tube, and fire elite dot 27 meters, 90 feet. And this one is absolutely simple. Tactical rail and pencil notes. Very simple. Somehow I ripped the head off. Anyhow, let's work on getting the demolisher open. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, like, hang on. Retailer! It can actually turn into a handgun, and this one's actually pretty sick also. So, yeah. Really sick, guys. This one's also sick. Like, I thought this was the best one until I said hello to the, I forget its name, the one that I unboxed earlier. Yeah. Anyhow, it was, I think it was called the Rapid Fire. So, this one's pretty awesome. Also, check it out. It's a surprise dog. You don't know what's coming. You don't know what's coming until, you actually get shot in the stomach, which would hurt. I broke it, guys. I broke it. You don't have to get this one in. You don't have to get this exactly in white and blue like this. Get it in the colors also. This one's, if you put the 18-dot clip in, it's even challenging. Now my dad's not going to be jealous at all. I have an 18-dot clip gun. Now he's got an 18-dot. Now back to the demolisher. So let's get this puppy open. Let's see. This one's a big box. Wow. Oh, there's tape involved. You know how I cut tape with my scissors. I have no idea where they went. Those. Oh, yeah. So let's just get this open because it's been 3 minutes already, and the YouTube limit is 15 on mine. So I mean, I don't know why they made a YouTube limit. Everything else, you can just make it as long as you want. I don't know why. And honestly, I'm cutting these like a beast. So either I'm the master cutter or I'm just pushing down hard enough to make this a simple machine. Which, so this thing looks sick. Where is it? Here we have the tray. Yeah, I've got to stand up for this. Grab it. Is there anything else in open it on the outside. I'll be right back. Right, we are back. And I'm just getting all of them. If I want to escape. Yeah, somehow one escaped actually. Like I said, let's cut this open. Same strategy. Deeply. And you are no match. Oh, you are a match for me actually. What? Alright, so. I'm trying to unbox this. It's just not cooperating. There we go. It's already loosened. Well, it's cut or snipped, however you want to say it. This one. Show you action. There we go. And I think we got loose. Wait. Oh, what is a big man right there? How am I supposed to cut that? Alright. Challenge is on, punk. Challenge is on. Yes! I got it open, guys. Now. Oh my god, that's the thing where you. That's the thing where you pump the missiles. Let's try it. Let's pump a missile. Out. Oh! That was amazing! That was amazing! Wow. So you have it in a. Wow! That's amazing! That's awesome. Those missiles are amazing. I just can't stand it. These are amazing. Okay, luckily I have 5 missiles to pump my dad. Pump my dad. That's all. He likes no force. Put it back in. Wow! That's amazing. I'm gonna pump my dad with the missiles after this. These missiles are amazing. Well, alright. So we have, tape required, really. Like that. Time to whip out the whippersnapper scissors. I was about to say they demolished my scissors, but luckily they did. That was actually really easy. Cut. So here's the detachable part on it. I'm not sure if it's on right. Okay, now it's on right. Honestly, this thing is awesome. Alright, so squeeze you in there and pump, pump, pump. I said pump. Almost there. Pump. Wow. It pretty much will play back, and it's like it's got a danger signal on it. I don't really want to be hit by this. And pump. Not bad. That part is more close range. So if you're close to your opponent and you're like, oh snap, I don't want to hurt them. Well, missile them. Where'd that go? Alright, so. And finally, we're gonna unbox the banana shaped clip, which looks really awkward to me. This looks amazing. I'm not sure how this is going to work. One, unbox these. Oh wait, no. No unboxing required for this. Oh, maybe there is. Maybe there is a better unboxing. Right. You know what? Yellow. And then you know what? Rip the rest open. It's plastic. Plastic is really stretchy. So, don't learn a lesson from that? You gotta learn a lesson now. So 1, 2, 3, I wish I was able to see this right. Oh, try to crack it open if you want, but I don't think that. So they actually bend like that? Wow. This thing isn't motor powered. So now just missiles. And yeah. Oh, is the jam included on this? There is indeed. There's already jam. That's just. What? I know when the jam was there. Oh no. This looks amazing. Alright, so that is it for the second video of unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, because if you did, please leave a big fat thumbs up.